Hello everybody, sziasztok! This is Liz with Hungarian Style. Today we are making easy and delicious Chipotle shrimp pasta. So here we are, we're preparing the shrimp. So what we want to do is we want to get a nice shrimp. I like to get the deveined shrimp with the tails and shells off. It's ready to go. What I like to do is I like to put a little bit of about a teaspoon to a bowl of baking soda. What this does is it keeps the shrimp plump. So let it sit. So we're getting this prepared so that when we're ready to put this into the pan, it'll be ready, and then it'll stay nice and plump for us for the whole meal. We're going to go ahead and chop up our red peppers. It has to be rough chopped, not tiny little minced. So we're going to go ahead and in bigger chunks, but not huge. We don't want it to be not appetizing. So we're going to go ahead and chop this up, all of it. This is all going to go into the pan when we're ready for it. We're going to go ahead and slice up our green onions, and the green part of it we're going to go ahead and slice it up for our garnish. And we're going to put that in a little bowl so that we'll have that ready for the garnish. And then some of the green, and then the rest of it, the white parts, we're going to use that actually to go into the dish itself. We're going to saute it with the red peppers. This is going to be delicious. This one's a little big, so we're going to slice it down the middle. And this is going to be our onions. Now we're going to go ahead and prep the cilantro. The cilantro is definitely for topping only. It has a flavor to it, but it does not have to be in the dish. It's going to be on top as a garnish. So we're just going to rough chop it. And that's it for the cilantro. And this will be for our garnish. So now we mince the garlic. I'm using a garlic press here, much easier and faster and more uniform cuts. Just a little fun fact, different cuts of garlic give different flavor. The larger the cuts, the less garlic flavor it has. So if you want garlicky flavor, you have to mince it or grate it, and it has more pungent garlic taste. So now we're going to make the sauce. It's a simple, easy recipe to make the sauce. Just place all your ingredients into either a blender or a food processor. Your mayo, sour cream, chipotle peppers and adobo sauce, lime juice, and garlic and salt and pepper. Salt and pepper to taste. Couple of cloves of garlic, and we're gonna zhuzh it all together until it's a nice smooth consistency. And like I said, we're gonna put that onto the side. Get the pan out and sear our shrimp just real quick in a couple of 2-3 tablespoons. Maybe this is actually going to be a large dish, so it's for a family. 3 or 4 tablespoons of olive oil, and you cook your shrimp until just barely when it turns pink, because once we get this done, we're going to put it back into the sauce and finish cooking it thoroughly. And once we get that done, then our chopped onion and red pepper. I like to use red pepper, but you could definitely use green pepper, yellow pepper, whatever is your favorite. And so then we're going to go ahead and get that into the pan. Once we take the shrimp out of it, get it into the pan and saute it probably 4 or 5 minutes. And then add the garlic into that. We have 5 cloves of garlic going into this, and we're going to put that in there. And then as soon as that is aromatic, you don't want to burn the garlic, then we go ahead and put the sauce that was set aside. We're going to go ahead and put that sauce right into the pan with the onions and peppers, and just a couple minutes coming together. We'll add some milk to thin it out, and then we're going to go put the shrimp back into it and basically just finish it off at that point. And then we'll have, this is a Chipotle shrimp pasta, so we have pasta, and you could use whatever pasta you want. I'm using spaghetti. That's one of our favorites. And so boil that pasta. You could do that in the meantime, ahead of time, and then we're going to serve it.